In a previous video, I talked about the constructed response. Now, the second part of the constructed response involves you articulating foundational skills. And foundational reading skills are going to be a theme that runs throughout the STR exam. But what are these foundational reading skills? They're very specific. You can get them. And the two documents I strongly recommend that you review to determine just what foundational skills are going to turn up on the STR exam are the TEKS, which are the Texas English Teaching Standards, so otherwise known as the TEKS. And you want to get the English Language Arts TEKS, right, for EC6, because the concentration for Science of Teaching, Reading, Instruction is going to be between grades kindergarten through third grade. So you want to focus on that area. And another document that will help you determine how the foundational skills are defined and used is going to be the vertical alignment document by TEA. Now, these two documents outline the standards for reading instruction K through 6, and the vertical alignment document specifies what foundational skill is going to be taught at which grade level. And again, the concentration of Science of Teaching Reading is going to be keenly focused on the grades K through 3. Now, let's just examine an example of how these might turn up. So here you have, page 2 from the English Language Arts EC6 TEKS. And you can actually look at the second one, and it tells you right there, developing and sustaining foundational language skills related to the 4 domains of listening, speaking, reading, writing, and thinking, which is like a 5th one, for beginning reading and writing. The student develops word structure knowledge through phonological awareness, print concepts, phonics, morphology to communicate. So those are the foundational skills. And they specify how phonological awareness is the first one, and they even identify one of the skills, which is rhyming words. Okay? So this is one way, when you look at the TEKS, it's one way to get a handle on what these foundational reading skills are. Now, I'm going to move over here to the vertical alignment document, which specifies instruction for kindergarten through 12th grade, but STR is mainly focused on early grades. And here you say develop sustaining foundational language skills, and again it includes the 4 domains of language and the 5th domain, which is thinking. And it specifies different components, but we're going to look at specifically phonological awareness. And here phonological awareness is taught in grades K through 2. So phonological awareness instruction stops at grade 3. And again, you have teaching through producing rhyming words, which is pretty similar to what the TEKS had, except the vertical alignment document allows you to see the scope of it, right? And so what I like to do, and what I ask my students to do, is to actually produce a concept map where they actually, determine all the different, the primary foundational reading skill, which is phonological awareness, and then connect it to all the different skills, which would be, rhyming, blending, segmenting, phonemic awareness, and like phoneme manipulation. Syllabication is a big one, and the production of vowel sounds, right? Multisyllabic word instruction, and alliteration, onset rhyme recognition. So this is the one that I drew for myself. You might have a different kind of interpretation of it, but I feel like drawing out a concept map will greatly help you determine how foundational skills are defined.